2022 wasn't without its downsides, but overall it was a year that really changed my life. We went from 10,000 to 150,000 subscribers on this channel. I was able to launch a career that I've always dreamed of, and I made some of my favorite paintings that I've ever made to date. So today, in this video, I want to talk about my goals for the new year and how I'm actually planning on achieving them. And of course, thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. While the new year is usually a time of intense, just like unhindered optimism and ambition for me, I often get a little bit too ambitious and take on way more projects that I can reasonably expect to handle. I set like a million resolutions and then I feel kind of bad, of course. Like I feel like shit when I can't achieve them, when I fail at them, when I like just have so much stuff going on that I get really overwhelmed. So I don't want to do that this year. I really don't want to feel overwhelmed. I don't want to just like surround myself with all of these really ambitious projects. Instead, I want to focus in and just pick 5 goals for the new year. And the first goal that I set is actually to fill an entire sketchbook. So if you've been watching my channel since like early 2022, you'll have seen my first ever sketchbook tour video. I have only ever filled one sketchbook in my life, and it was that sketchbook that I made a video about. Not because I don't make enough art in sketchbooks, but just because I have so many sketchbooks. Like I have so many sketchbooks, and I prefer painting on oil painting paper and panels and stuff like that. I don't really often practice in sketchbooks except for like studies and stuff, but I want to really get better at that. I want to try just like working in sketchbooks consistently, maybe a couple times a week, and just really get in there and doing the thing, making sketchbook tour videos. My friend Al, like, she finishes a sketchbook, it feels like every single month, and makes a sketchbook tour video, and that's like her whole thing. And I'm like over here, like, I finished one sketchbook. So I want to do my best and like just try and catch up a little bit, raise my high score from 1 to 2, and just try and finish a single sketchbook this year. My second goal for the new year is actually to post 25 videos on the vlog channel. So if you don't know, I'm starting a vlog channel. It's going to be like more chill storytelling, kind of short film content about my art, my life, my experience as an artist. Basically like a better version of the old vlogs that I used to make on this channel, I want to make over there. And I am super excited for that project. I think it's totally possible to post 25 videos on that channel. I think that ends up being like every other week or so, and I think that's a really good starting point to be able to spin up that second channel. I don't want to set a prediction for that channel. Like I don't want to set like a subscriber mark or like a metric like that, because I really want to focus on the aspects of the goals that I can control instead of metrics. So I can't force you to subscribe, winky wink face, yeah, the link is in the description, but I want to focus on the stuff that I can actually control, and posting videos on that channel is a thing that I can very much control, so I want to do that instead. My third goal for the new year is to visit at least 5 state or national parks that I have never been to before. So in late June, I moved to the Bay Area, and I have pretty much failed at visiting more national parks in the great state of California, and there are so many cool things to see here, and I have not seen nearly enough of them yet. So in the new year, I want to really make a point of going out more, touching some grass, what a concept, and visiting some more national parks and state parks, and just like getting out there in nature, because I loved living in Alaska so much for that year that I did that, and I took so many amazing pictures that turned into paintings. One of them is actually like becoming the painting behind me. And with that painting that you see behind me, this one over here, I want to actually use this and all of the other paintings that I make to launch 3 print collections in 2023. So I was really hoping to launch my first print collection this fall. And then I had a bunch of really unfortunate family stuff happen that I'm still dealing with, and it really sucks, and I thank you guys so much for your patience. But a lot of the work to get that print collection like ready for you guys, so you can like hold the art and hang it up in your homes, is already done, and it just takes like another week or 2 of work to really wrap up. But I want to focus on that really hard after the holiday season to really just like get that out in the world for you guys. And then once that first print collection is done, I want to make 2 more in the new year. 2 more print collections. This feels very doable, like extremely doable for me, but I think I need to make it a goal just that I actually get it done. And the print collection, it could be like 10 paintings, it could be 5 paintings, it could be 20 paintings, but I want to get more of my art out there in the world. And then my 5th goal for 2023 is to attempt 2 more 30-day challenges. I have tried Vlogmas and I've tried the 100 Heads challenge, and I really enjoyed both of those experiences. Looking back, like, I'm proud and glad that I did them, even though they were sometimes not that fun in the moment. But I want to do more challenges like that. I want to push myself more. I want to really like try and foster more personal and artistic growth and development. And I think those challenges are a really good way to do that. So now that we have our goals, we need to actually figure out how we're going to do them. But before we make a plan for our goals, we need to talk about the sponsor of this video, Squarespace. Squarespace has been sponsoring videos on the channel for the past 3 months, but before they reached out to me, I'd actually been using their service for the past like 2 or 3 years. I rely on Squarespace to help me manage my business. They make it really easy to sell physical or digital products, to display your work, and grow your email newsletter. You could even offer a course or a subscription service on your Squarespace website, no third-party integration needed. But speaking of third-party integrations, they partner with some really great companies to help make your life easier. My favorite integrations are the ones that help you collect and remit sales tax, which is something that I was so worried about not doing right that I put off launching my shop for years. Squarespace has done a really amazing job at identifying problems their customers experience and developing effective and easy-to-use solutions. They have award-winning customer support and great templates to start designing your own site. If you're interested in giving them a try, go to squarespace.com/Kelsey Rodriguez and use code Kelsey Rodriguez at checkout to get 10% off your first order of a website or domain. Thank you so much again to Squarespace, and let's get back to the video. Okay, so we are in my Notion workspace. We have our business dashboard pulled up. This is like where I live and breathe for the stuff in my business. I have tons of stuff going on here. This is a Notion template that I sell in my shop, but that's not relevant right now. What is relevant is this particular page, the 2023 yearly goals and tasks. We have our 5 goals listed over here, and now I have to break them down and figure out how I want to work toward those goals in the first quarter of the year. So I have some tasks, and then I have some goals. Goal number 1 should be to complete. Let's be more optimistic. Complete the first 30-day challenge. I don't know what that's going to be yet. I think maybe like Master Study March could be a concept. That could be kind of fun to do like a bunch of those. Another task that I want to do this quarter is to do like a weekend trip in a national park. I feel like that could be a really cute idea for my boyfriend and I to do together and just, I don't know, relax a little bit, do a lot of hiking. I think that could be a really good time. And other tasks that I want to do. I want to post twice a month to the vlog channel. And that's 6 videos right there for the vlog channel. It seems like a very achievable thing to do. And then maybe in December, I could do like Vlogmas on the vlog channel or something. We'll figure it out. I need to build a habit of working in my sketchbook like twice a week. If I get into the habit of filling like an entire spread, like at least one spread, I feel like I will be well on my way to getting that filling a sketchbook goal done. But I need to actually do it. You know what I mean? I need to build that habit. Another thing that's not related to any of the goals that I set like for the entire year, but I think that I really want to do more is to build a habit of studying art via book or online course/video for at least 2 hours twice a week. That's also super achievable, and I feel like it could really tie back into the sketchbook goal too. Let's set like maybe one more goal. Oh, that should be launch the print collection, obviously, right? Yeah. Okay, there we go. That is my plan for 2023. That is my plan to become a better artist in 2023. And I feel like, you know, I achieved this really big dream, right? I achieved this dream that I feel immensely proud of. And now the goal is to cement it, to really make this my job and to feel super comfortable in it, to kind of expand my reach a little bit and just grow my business and become more of a really good artist and make more art. And before I forget, make sure that you subscribe to the vlog channel. It would mean so much to me. I hope to see you there very soon. Very soon. This painting is almost done. And when it's almost done, I get to edit that video and then I get to post it to the vlog channel. So that's the plan. So let's talk. Oh my God. Hello? Young man. Do you mind? Hi. Hi. Do you mind? I'm trying to record a video. What are your goals for the new year? Do you have goals? I think he has goals. You're gonna eat so many snacks. You're gonna eat so many snacks. And you're gonna play with so much string.